Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are your Gcash app just gave you that dreaded message. There seems to be a problem. Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you the fastest and most reliable way to fix it. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a key tip that can prevent this error from happening again. First things first, completely close the Gcash app. Swipe it away from your recent apps so it's not running in the background. Now open your phone's settings. If you're on iPhone, scroll down, tap General, then tap iPhone Storage. If you're on Android, head to your phone's storage settings. The steps are very similar. Just look for your list of installed apps. Once you're in storage, wait for your phone to load the list of all apps. Scroll down until you find Gcash. If you have a lot of apps, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Tap on Gcash and look for the option that says Offload App or Clear Data/Reinstall, depending on your phone. Confirm this action. This will remove the current app version but keep your data safe. As soon as you offload, the app will start reinstalling or updating itself to the latest version. This is important because most Gcash errors happen when the app is outdated. Be patient. It may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the app finishes loading, open Gcash again and log in. In most cases, this simple process completely removes the error and gets you back to sending and receiving money without any issues. Before you close the video, make sure automatic updates are turned on for Gcash in the App Store or Google Play. This prevents outdated versions from causing the same problem in the future. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button so more people can find it, and subscribe for more quick fixes and money app tips. Drop a comment if this solved your issue, or if you had to try something else. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.